The equities market resumed trading activities on a positive note for the first day in the month of July as NSE ASI records 0.47% gain amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 8.37%. Welcome to the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, July 1st, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 24,595.5 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.830 trillion naira in 3,772 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors gained 60.42 billion naira as market recorded 12 gainers to 23 losers. Cadbury Nigeria, Sterling Bank and Japan Oil and Maritime Services were top gainers for equity, while Nemet International Pharmaceuticals, Learn Africa and Wapik Insurance were among the top losers. Wapik Insurance, UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust and United Bank for Africa were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.79 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 386 naira 75 kobo to a dollar, while the INE FX rate opened at 387 naira 8 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC, the NSI closed at 709.24 basis points with a market capitalization of 520.98 billion. The volume of shares traded was 23,182 and 2.70 million in terms of value traded in 6 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights, Securities and Exchange Commission proposed new rules on collective investment schemes and sundry amendments for exposure. The proposed rules on general rules for CIS, proposed new rules on annual supervision fees for collective investment schemes, proposed new rules on payment of administrative charges for review of supplemental deeds and amendments to sundry agreements. For the sundry amendments, proposed amendment to Rule 465D and E, content of a trust deed, proposed amendment to Rule 497, investment by CIS in unlisted securities additional disclosure, proposed amendments to Rule 517, amounts to be written, and Rule 519, time amounts underwritten to be made available, and proposed amendment to Rule 522, valuation report. All comments and inputs should be forwarded to the Secretariat at rulescommittee.sec.gov.ng or by letter addressed to the DG Sec not later than 2 weeks from the publication date. For the market activities to watch, the Securities and Exchange Commission will be having a webinar on the Nigeria Data Protection Regulation and its implications on the Nigerian capital market. The webinar is to have CEOs, compliance officers, data protection officers of capital market operators on the 7th of July 2020. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports and to watch a live stream of the weekday programs. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do stay safe.